Where have the kids gone? Where are they? I think they went this way.
Marwah, I'll go first. Wait in line.
Abdul Rahman.
Yes?
Abdul Rahman. I will go now, haha, I will go.
No, it was my turn. Finally got it.
Where have they went? Oh. These kids are here? Oh man. Kids, why are you here?
Mama, we are playing.
How are you playing? You can fall.
Mama, we are having fun.
Fine, first get down, then we'll talk. Come, get down you two. Come. Alright, now tell me, who did you come here with? I've been searching for long.
We came with Baba.
Came with Papa? Where's Papa?
He has gone to buy ice cream.
Yummy ice cream.
That's so, alright fine. But kids, you're not going to play here again, you can fall and get hurt. Go and play with your football, okay?
Okay, Mama.
Alright, go now.
Alright, Marwah, let's play with the ball. Come now. Ha ha ha! I'm gonna get the ball.
I'm having
going
fun.
To win. I
This
just have
is
to get
so
the ball.
fun.
I'm gonna
Oh
win,
no,
Marwah.
the ball.
I'll be the
You're
winner
going to
here.
win.
I win.
Alright, Abdul Rahman, let's play over there.
Uh-oh, what's this? This looks like a cat to me. Oh, this is a cat. Marwah, come here.
What happened, Abdul Rahman?
Marwah, come here.
Fine, I'm coming.
Marwah, look here.
What happened, Abdul Rahman?
Marwah, look, it's a cat.
Cat?
It's over there.
Where did a cat come from?
Marwah, over there, it's a cat.
What does it remind me of? Abdul Rahman, it's a kitten.
Marwah, it's so cute, right?
But how did it get here?
I don't know, Marwah.
It's so little and so cute.
Marwah, can we take it home?
How can we take it home?
By holding it like this.
What will we feed it?
We'll give it milk.
It eats fish too. Come, let's ask Mama.
We'll take it home then.
Let's go. Mama! Mama!
Where are you, Mama?
What happened, kids?
Mama, I want to take a cat.
Please, Mama, can we take this cat?
Cat? Which cat?
There's a little kitty over there.
Mama, it's in the grass over there.
Over there? Where did it come from?
Please, Mama, can we take the cat home?
Kids, how can we take it back home?
Mama, I want a cat.
It's so cute, Mama.
That's so, alright then, before taking the cat home, we'll take a look at it. Then we'll search for the owner. If it has an owner, they'll take it. But if no one takes it, then we'll take it home. Alright?
Okay, Mama.
Yay!
Let's go and look for it.
Yay, I'm so happy.
Where's the cat?
Mama, it's over there.
Where? Oh, let's take it out now. Oh, it's a toy cat. It's a soft toy. Ha ha ha.
Ha ha ha.
It's a soft
It
toy.
was a soft toy.
Alright, so now you two can keep it. Here you go.
Thank you, Mama.
Alright children, let's go home now.